Sharon's here. Welcome to the second part of my anti-aging ingredient list and talking about what we really need and what we don't need and what are the benefits of the products that we do need. So for those of you that are new to my channel today, I say welcome. In order to join my tribe, please scroll on down and hit that subscribe button. You see that little bell? Go ahead and click that bell. It'll notify you of the upcoming videos as soon as I put them out. And I film about twice a week now. So we're right in the middle of how great this is. We've already talked about peptides. Now we're going to talk about antioxidants. Okay, what are antioxidants? Antioxidants are chemicals that are put out to destroy, damage, or deter free radicals from getting onto our skin. Now you say, well, what are free radicals? It could be cigarette smoke, it can be pollution, it can be radiation, it can be any other toxic chemicals. So we have to have our antioxidants. You know, antioxidants are being proven this day and time to prevent any type of the cancers as well. So antioxidants are playing a major role right now in our skincare. With daily use of antioxidants, you can prevent age spots, you can prevent any type of hyperpigmentation, you can eliminate some larger wrinkles, larger lines, if you see what I'm saying. So this is important that you use an antioxidant daily. Some antioxidants even increase hydration in our skin and increase moisture retention, so our skin looks more vitalized and more glowing. And definitely antioxidants help with brightening of the skin. So how can we possibly not have antioxidants in our skincare routine? Okay, here are some benefits of antioxidants. The first benefit, of course, is reducing all the free radicals that are coming onto your skin to destroy it and to break down your collagen and to cause hyperpigmentation and all of these other issues going on with your skin, including acne. It helps with any type of blotchy skin tone. They help with the loose skin as well. So antioxidants are proven to increase collagen because they go down to the deeper layer. So you need your antioxidant. And number two, antioxidants help with any type of sunburn as well. We now know that the sun's harmful rays are causing all kinds of, photo aging, and with antioxidants they prevent burns, they prevent any type of phototype aging that's getting into your skin. So they prevent sunburns. And then, of course, number three, a benefit of antioxidants, it reduces inflammation in the skin. That's right. This is the one thing that does reduce inflammation. And we now know that inflammation can cause all types of skin issues. This way, the antioxidant allows the skin to repair itself by cutting out inflammation and some of the other issues. Now let's talk about vitamin C. That's an antioxidant. We now know that vitamin C can totally stimulate collagen. And of course, that's what it's all about. We want collagen stimulated. I mean, this is vital for our youthful looking skin, right? Also, number four, antioxidants give you brighter skin. It cuts down on the age spots. It cuts down on the pigmentation. It gives you that brighter, that glowing, that wide awake look. You look healthier. Your skin actually looks brighter, younger, and healthier. Now some antioxidants like A, C, and E have anti-carcinogenic properties. They may help prevent skin cancer. Now I want to talk about some of the products and the properties for helping with antioxidants. We all know vitamin C is going to be the primary ingredient for helping with antioxidants. It's one of the very most studied that's on the market. It has been researched from one end to the other for years and years and years. So we know vitamin C is going to take care of us. But just remember one thing about vitamin C. Its potency gets stronger when the sun hits the face. If you're not protected with sunscreen over that, you may have issues with your vitamin C, because it just excites the vitamin C and it exudes, where it's very, very bright, very potent at that time, and can cause some burns. So you want to make sure wherever you're using vitamin C, you want to make sure you've got sunscreen over it to protect your skin. Also, vitamin C is an unstable ingredient. You want to keep vitamin C in a dark, cool place. You know, you could keep it in your fridge, or keep it in your medicine cabinet. And it's always in a dark colored bottle because it is unstable. Now, when you say, well, Sharon, what do you mean unstable? What's going to happen? Well, I just mean it doesn't last that long. You can't expose it to a lot of light because it cuts down the consistency. Have you ever seen vitamin C when it gets too old in a bottle? It kind of turns gold color instead of that lighter, prettier, off, you know, amber kind of color. Is that what I'm looking for? You girls know what I'm talking about, okay? That means that it's an unstable product. Now, if it's mixed with like vitamin E, that stabilizes the product. That is the vitamin E with ferulic acid. Let's talk SkinCeuticals, okay? It has CE ferulic acid, meaning it has stabilized that vitamin C. So it'll last longer, it'll stay potent on your skin. Are you following me? There are different other types of vitamin C. Of course, the strongest, the most popular is your L-ascorbic acid. But I want to read to you about a couple of more here. Let me put on my specs because I don't want to miss anything, that's for sure. There is... okay, there is ester C. Ester C comes across as more stable, but not quite as potent as your L-ascorbic acid. And then there's one right now that's very, very popular, and it's tetrahexyldexyl absorbate. Now, that is in a lot of new products like the Truth treatments, medical grade right now, and it's wonderful. It's just showing such huge promise, I can tell you. We're not sure yet if it is too unstable, being L-ascorbic acid, that it works the same way or not. But we do know it's working. They're just still researching that to see which is better, the L-ascorbic acid, like for instance the SkinCeuticals, or if this particular C here, you know, is going to compare. So those are the ones that we need to really watch right now. But you got to have vitamin C. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Also, let's talk about vitamin A. You need vitamin A, okay? You need retinol or a retinoid. Now, this has been proved time and time again that it turns back the clock of time, okay? We do know that for sure. And it produces collagen, accelerates cell growth, and smooth lines, it smooths wrinkles. You gotta have, obviously, your vitamin A, whether it be a retinol or a retinoid form, okay? The next thing I want to tell you about is the vitamin E. Now, we discussed it a little bit a while ago when we were talking about the SkinCeuticals. I said you needed the vitamin E in with the vitamin C, in other words, to balance it out, to stabilize it. So the vitamin E is very, very important. You must have vitamin E. As a matter of fact, vitamin E is very well known for increasing the healing of the skin as well. So you have to have the vitamin E because it smooths, it heals. Okay, let's talk about resveratrol. Resveratrol is an antioxidant. It's one I use at night. I've shown you that before. It's the SkinCeuticals resveratrol. And let me tell you a little bit about resveratrol and why it's important. See, I use vitamin C in the morning, but I'll use resveratrol at night. See, it's a compound that's mostly found in berries and the skins of fruit, peanuts, tea, and red wine. It resembles like an armor, a barrier to your skin. antimicrobial substance that kind of stands guard and protects your skin and things from getting in. And it boosts, you know, the activity of the mitochondria. And it promotes larger cell life in the body. And then you've got your Q10, your coenzyme. We all hear about that. And a lot of you use that in the form of a serum. And it is an antioxidant. And what does it do? It not only fights cells and free radicals, it fights off free radicals and keeps your skin healthy. The nutrient is easily absorbed into the skin and stimulates and does stimulate collagen, which will improve elasticity and texture of the skin as well. And then, of course, the next one is niacinamide. We got to have our niacinamide. What skincare vanity could be without it, right, girlfriends? Let's talk a little bit about niacinamide. Okay, niacinamide is known as B3. B3 is known for taking care of the barrier of your skin, okay? It's a powerful antioxidant, and it is so easily mixed with other ingredients as well. It improves the skin's texture and the tone of the face. You can mix it with any of your other antioxidants or any of your other serums. And it'll reduce fine lines and wrinkles as well. So niacinamide is a plus and a must in your skincare group. Now let's talk a little bit about polyphenols. It's a plant-based vitamin which can be found in your favorite, vegetables or in green tea. Fruits and chocolates, contain some of the same ingredients in the polyphenols. So you can find it in the cream, you can find it kind of in a multi-type vitamin. I'd say use the cream. I know Eminence, has a great polyphenol cream you can put on, and it is fantastic. Nice, easy, smooth. Okay, now let's talk about flavonoids. Flavonoids. All right, they're very important. An antioxidant found in green tea and black teas. They have the properties to treat rosacea, cut down on inflammation, and oxidative stress. Flavonoids absorb the UV light and modulate signaling pathways that encourage cell function to prevent photoaging or any stress to the skin. So flavonoids are great. Just an example of a good one is by the PCA Skin. They have a serum that is absolutely fabulous and loaded with flavonoids, okay? The last one that you need to consider in the antioxidants is glutathione. This particular antioxidant is very powerful. It aids in cell repair, productive organs like the liver, kidney, and brain, and so forth. One of the most wide-known side effects to this is the anti-melagenic property. That means that it just totally brightens up the skin. In other words, causes skin whitening. So those are found in many products. So my ladies, I guess you can see the importance of antioxidants. And there were quite a few here, and I want you to take advantage and think about each and every one that I mentioned to you. All right, I want to thank you so much for being here. And get ready for the third anti-aging ingredient video coming up this next week. And for all of you new people, thank you so much for being here. Mwah, 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 mwah. And to all my regular subbies, I want you to stay sassy, classy, and confident. And give me a big thumbs up on this video.